Hi, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Mary.
And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where we show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from
Taiwan.
Yeah, this is a big box from Taiwan. I don't know exactly who it's from. I get a lot of packages from Taiwan, but I'm sure I'll open it up and find out. Let's all find out. Wow, this is a big box with a lot of things in it, so I'll go through them one by one. This is from, they're from Laii Noodle, and Laii Noodle is on the top 10 Taiwan list this year. They've got a really, really good product, and I think these are different varieties of it. So here's the first one we got here. I don't know what flavor this is going to be. I almost want to say and guess that this is their original variety. It says Laii Foods, and that's the brand, but I don't see what the flavor is, so I'll have to ask them about that. And when I do this video up, I'll put underneath what each variety is, so then you'll be able to know what it is. And here's another one. I almost want to say this looks like it's the same one, just in a box, like a larger serving set. Yeah, look at that. That's fancy. That's a big box of noodles. Okay, now we got this one, and I know this is the original Laii Noodle. Yeah, this is definitely the one that I've tried that's on the top 10 list. I can tell by the logo and the stuff here. Looks like it's a 12-pack, and again, it's got the chef here. She's showing off the Laii Noodle. That's cool. I don't know who she is, but she's somebody important, I'm sure. All right, well, thank you very much to the folks over at Laii Foods for shooting this over. I can't wait to try this new variety, and yeah, very cool. Stuff from Taiwan. This has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
Wishing you enjoyed your noodles
Every day.
Have a good one.